Everyone, and welcome back. So I'm here today with another unboxing. Actually, what happened yesterday, I received these shoes and I did the whole unboxing thinking that I am showing you, sharing my new shoes with you guys, but towards the end I realized that my camera was not running at all, guys. It was standing still, so that was my bad. Anyhow, without any further ado, let's get started. Jimmy Choo was running sale. So it was last week and I saw these shoes online, and Jimmy Choo has some fabulous styles. So when I saw these on sale, I quickly grabbed them. So these are the receipts which I received because it was an online order, and without any further ado, let's dig in. So this is the shoe. The first pair came in. It says Jimmy Choo, and what happened you will see now. So this is the dust bag for the shoes. It says Jimmy Choo. So these are the sandals, my first pair of sandals with studs all over. You can see I ordered them. I run, I'm between like 5.5 and 6 in 6. That's my shoe size. So I called the SA at Jimmy Choo and I asked her what does she recommend. Should I go for the same size or should I, order size up? So she told me that since Jimmy Choo runs small, narrow, so I should go half a size up. And I did that, but my bad. This is a little bit loose on me. So once again, I will show you. Both of them look like this. They have studs all over. So I'm taking them tomorrow to Jimmy Choo for an exchange. I hope they still have my size, because what happened usually, the designers, when they go on sale, the smallest size runs out very quickly. So I hope they still have my shoe, the size, and then I'll be able to get it. I will let you guys know. So the second one is this one. It's still all packed because I didn't open it, but we are going to open it together. So let me break this sticker seal here. I'm so excited, guys. I am actually waiting for the third pair because I ordered 3 pair of shoes and I saved almost like $1,000 on them. So the black sandals, which I got with studs, were like $375 and then tax. So I don't know how much total was. This is the dust bag for the second pair of shoes. It says Jimmy Choo. The box looks like every other box, guys. So oh my god, I love them. They are pretty and I hope they will fit me because I ordered these also in size 6. So these are pumps, pointed toe, and it has Jimmy Choo is written all over. You can see it has a strap and then the sling back, and the heel is designed like little narrow here and then widening down. I really like, it's like in not hourglass, but I don't know, there's a specific name for this heel. So this is what they look like, and this is the back, and this is the front. I will take some shots when I try these on, and I hope these will fit me because, as I mentioned, I just opened the box in front of you guys, so I'm not sure whether these will fit me or not. So I have my fingers crossed, and let's see. So wish me luck that I will find my size in black sandals tomorrow. Otherwise, I would say that if I don't get it, I would say they were not meant to be. And this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing with you, and please do let me know which shoe style was your favorite. Did you like the sling back or did you like the sandals. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and please press the bell icon. It will notify you every time I post a new video. And please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. It will help me grow. And also let me know, and you may head over to my Instagram account. The handle is Glam Life Styling. Come over there, say hi to me, and join me there, as you can have a closer look into my personal life. And all the information for my Instagram handle and other, you know, social media handles are in down below in the description box. So thank you so much for your time and love. Take care, guys. Bye bye.